the story.
Oh my god, look at the rest are coming down there. Probably drowning in the flood. Oh, there's a little cub. Oh, it's coming towards us.
Don't worry, you are safe.
They're all female. That one on the top of the hill scared.
God, just hurry up and kill it.
That one just coming down. Here we go.